So this is the requested video of the Jaguar. Quick walk around video. So you can see we've got alloys, LED headlights, fully automatic with the sport mode. Same on the other side. Indicators on the wing mirrors either side. Same on the back. Alloys. LED rear lights. Single exhaust. Another alloy. Going to the inside. Controls on the side here for your windows and for your mirrors, speakers and handle. Nice uncut door bins. Heads up display here. For your driving mode. Revs, speed. Aircon features, and this is pretty cool. To activate aircon or the heating. And that's the same across the whole dashboard, including over here. Then you have your individual controls for each blower. Media controls, heated windscreens, your heated seats, and also your choice of auto, which will be climate control, or reusing and recycling the cabin air. You've also got your controls for start stop, your driving modes, and to control that simply just putting these across on the scroller. Keep it in parked. Storage compartments, nicely controlled by delays. Nice wood finish, glossed up. Your winter controls, your traction control, and your speed control. Glove box opens with a simple tap. Very smart. Service book and everything else in there. Got your dashboard speaker, nice leather interior here, beautiful. Suede as well on the seats. Got more media controls on the steering wheel, as well as your cruise control, resume and cancel, and voice controlled demands. We have electronic seat adjustments. Inside on the armrest, just down below, we have another power outlet, as well as a USB and an auxiliary input. Closing that down. This continues on the other side with more electronic controls. Going to the back here, nice spacious 3 seats in the back. Continuing the leather interior with a pull down armrest with cups holder, adjustable headrests, elastic netted storage compartments in the back here, as well as more power outlets and aircon controls. And the wood finish also continues into the back as well here. As you can see, got more window controls. Just to go down here quickly, air vents to add that sporty look, but a very spacious boot here, and it continues that nice executive feel with the really high quality carpet upholstery. Do have a storage compartment here for first aid kits or breakdown equipment. More power to continue out here if you're storing something. And you've got a privacy banner that you can just link up here. There we are. And that can just be detached simply. And a lot of headroom as well. And air vents to demist at the back for visibility. And just to close this down, one button, sealed. that is the Jaguar. Thanks for watching.